Skin Place Warts Removal Treatment. Improved appearance and confidence. Removing warts from visible areas like the face and neck makes skin look smoother and clearer, helping you feel more confident in your appearance. Prevent spread and recurrence. Warts are caused by HPV and can spread to nearby skin or to other people. Professional removal helps reduce this risk. Minimizes risk of scarring and damage to surrounding skin. Done by trained professionals, removal can target the wart precisely, preserving healthy tissue and reducing scarring or pigmentation changes. Safer for sensitive areas. The face and neck have delicate skin. Professional removal ensures safe techniques are used with proper healing protocols to avoid burns or injury to these sensitive zones.